Hey everybody, welcome back to DIY Boomboxes in Texas. My name is Phil, your host, and let me show you something cool that I came up with the other day. Now this looks like your standard 18 can or 12 quart cooler, and it for the most part is. And it's got the speakers on the side as you can see, but this one's a little bit different. I've been getting a lot of people asking me, hey, can you make one of these smaller coolers that's a Bluetooth speaker, but can you make it where I don't have to carry it? Can you put wheels on it or something like that? And of course, here's Mr. Duke. We know Duke was going to show up. All right, Duke, hold on a minute. Let me show everybody what's going on. Nobody wants to see you. Oh, Duke is always wanting to be the star of the show. This is your first time seeing my channel. This is Duke, my sidekick. All right, come on, Duke. Go over here. So anyway, this is the... come on. Duke. Really? You don't have to be right there in front of the camera. Right there. Sit down. Sit down. There you go. Thank you. All right. Stay right there. Yes, you're a great guy. But you gotta stay right there. All right, everybody. You know, it's just like the ones you've seen me make before. And of course, we got Scar audio speakers in here because we got to advertise. I love these speakers. They're so awesome. I'm about to put them in the build you saw me do with all the lights, but that's going to be a video for another day. Right now, I have so many builds I'm working on. I don't know when I'm ever going to get to that project. May not be till September. Who knows? Anyway, so let me turn this and show you. Check this out. This cooler actually has wheels, has a real long handle that just scared Duke. And so it can be, you know, rolled around really, really easy. You can see right here, it's got a really long handle. You can even put stuff on top of here, strap it down and carry it. And it just works really, really good. Speakers fit really good. These are standard 6.5-inch Scar speakers. Now the cool thing about this setup is I sell 3 different setups with 3 different speakers, 2 different batteries, and the same amp but at different voltages, so you're going to get different power levels. So I can apply this to any one of them. Now notice we don't have the flap on the top anymore. We got our battery charger back here, and we got our power button right there. Nice and neat. You get the amp kick on. We have our USB port and charging port for your phone. You actually charge the battery back here, the charging port, completely waterproof. And again, this just adds $10 to the price. So these are starting at $210, or I should say $215, $300 for the Polk speakers and the better battery, or even bigger battery, and the Scar speakers is going to be $335. So anyway, I'm not going to crank this up because you guys have heard these Scar speakers before, and I got 2 builds on here. So if you want to look that up, just type in Scar audio speakers or look it up. You'll see it, and you'll be able to hear these speakers. They sound great, extremely loud. And I've actually got a couple of these on order right now that people have ordered from me that I'm getting ready to build. So anyway, sorry, no music. Like I said, you guys have heard these before, so there's no reason for me to crank this up again. But I just want to show you this really cool cooler with the wheels. So if you have problems with your hands or you can't carry a lot of weight, you know, somebody who's an older person, it's just great to lift the handle up and roll this, you know, back and forth, because this does have a little bit of weight to it. It weighs about 20 to 25 pounds, which may not sound like a lot, but when you have any problems with your hands or arthritis, or if you got to move this to a far location, like down to the beach or down to the river or something, it's really nice not to be able to have to carry it. And like I said, you can raise this up and put some of your gear and stuff and strap it here to the handle, and you can like carry some extra stuff, lawn chairs or what have you, and it works really great. So thank you guys so much for watching. More builds coming up. Believe me, I've got a lot of stuff going on right now. A lot of builds. I'm very, very busy. So we got some cool stuff coming up. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time.